there. Guess what? It's time for our next trip now, and I'm in Gurgaon right now, in a posh society in Gurgaon, and we're going to start our next trip from here. Guess what? It's a road trip all the way to Manali, okay, which is around 600 kilometers from here. And joining me on this trip will be my good buddy, Mr. Rahul Singh. Hey Rahul, buddy.
Hey, hi guys.
So he's kindly agreed to join me for this trip to Manali.
I'm sure it's going to be fun. We both went to school together, and we'll catch up on some old memories.
Yeah, of course, and a lot of adventure too, snow and all that, and get away from this heat wave which has grasped the city, most parts of India. So all set for it. So let's go towards the car and see how it's going to be like. So this is the car which is going to take us to Manali. It's an i10, and Rahul's family friend has been kind enough to give it to us for this trip. So Rahul,
Yeah, I definitely want to give a big thank you to Joshna Lalwani for letting us use her car, and also Dr. Lalwani and Dr. Lakshmi Lalwani as well for their generosity and kindness. In fact, I took their car for a month's road trip as well to Rajasthan, and now I get the opportunity to do the same with Abhishek, and we go to Manali.
so that's great. I mean, let's look forward to it. Looking forward to it. I hope the car holds up, and I'm sure it will. So see you soon. Let's hit the road. Yep.
Let's do this.
We are at the Bias viewpoint, and look what we have. A rainbow right across the Bias river, and it's acting like a bridge across the Bias. I've never seen something like this. It's acting like a bridge from one mountain to the other, and this is an absolutely gorgeous view. Look at the rainbow, and this is the Bias viewpoint. Yeah, so here we are. You can see the rainbow in the back end. And here's my friend Rahul. He's had a 2.5 hours driving stint. So, Rahul, you like the roads?
I have to say these have been the best roads I've driven in for the last 1.5 months. They remind me of Zurich and decided to game in Switzerland. It's the first time I've seen a four-lane highway on a mountainous road, especially the Himalayas.
That's something that's a huge compliment to
Oh, absolutely.
road infrastructure here. We've had a share of hiccups also. There was
I mean, 90% of the road was
Yeah.
stunning. The views, the smoothness. There were no potholes, and broad roads and tunnels as well. Remind me of roads in Switzerland. So yeah, that's definitely
And the rainbow tops in all. Yeah.
it's stunning.
That's the rainbow. This acts as a bridge across the river. That's the condition of our car right now. Hi there. So yes, we have reached Manali, and it's an amazingly beautiful morning here, and it's absolutely freezing cold. I mean, far cry from the heat wave that is on in many parts of India right now. So it's an absolutely amazing break, and you can see from my jacket that it's really cold out here. And best part of it is it's a amazingly sunny morning. So we're just standing in front of our hotel. So this hotel, we are checked in at Hotel Hilltop. Okay, that's a modest looking hotel, and it's reasonably priced, and it's just right very close to the it is very close to the Mall Road, so it's just a walking distance. So we'll just see that how the view from the terrace looks here. So get ready for this amazing view from the terrace. Yes, this is the view of the mountain range from our terrace, from the terrace of our hotel. That's a Gurudwara we can see on the way, and this is our gorgeous view of the hotel, of the peaks rather, sorry. I'm on my way to the Mall Road. This is just right down this road here. Meanwhile, I'm just having my breakfast in this particular shop. So I just ordered for a breakfast here. So just finish off my breakfast and then go off to the Mall Road for a walk. So now we've come to the Mall Road. This is how it looks like in the morning. It's not very crowded at all. There you are, that's the Mall Road. So this is that car-free zone, and it's a wonderful place to walk anytime during the day, especially in the evening when it is very crowded. So that's how it looks. So I've just come for a walk in the morning. It's 9 a.m. right now. And this is the famous aloo paratha in the Punjabi restaurant here at Mall Road, which our friend Rahul is going to have for breakfast. So how's it going, buddy, with the aloo paratha?
It's going really good. There's nothing like a good aloo paratha for
Yeah, and just right in front of the Snow Peak Mountains in the background. And this is our Anshu Punjabi Dhaba, one of our friend Rahul's favorite.
Not my favorite,
but one of the favorites, yeah. And the local dishes, yeah.
There's no better way to start your morning than with a great aloo paratha. It's very delicious.
Of course, when in Punjab and
It's
Himachal.
popular as well.
Yeah, looks like, yeah.
The other option is, of course, the bread omelette, which seems to be very popular as well. If I'd come a little later, they would have given me some dal and chole with this.
Yeah.
You know,
Of
but
course.
even with just the achar,
I think our next target should be chola bhatura. Let's go
or
for that.
something more local.
Yep.
Let's try that.
Yep. Okay, so we've come here to the Hidimba Devi temple. This is a extremely popular attraction here, the Hidimba Devi temple. That's where we are going inside.
Hidimba was the demon
Yeah, in
Who wanted to marry Bhim.
she was married to Bhim in Mahabharat.
Yeah.
नहीं दीदी ठीक है ठीक है.
चलो अरे बेटा बोल
ये free parking था दोस्त. This was free parking.
चलिए
कैसे दिया 50 का?
चलिए आप लोग बनो सीधे आके बाहर ले लो ना एक का दो एक ही का दो लो वाला ले लो एक ही का
So there's a queue to visit the temple for the darshan. So we are going to queue up here and go for the darshan or the visit.
धर्मस्य चरात्मान
So we are done with the Hidimba temple. Now we are going towards the Ghatotkaч temple. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं Ghatotkaч is the son of Hidimba and he's well known for his role in the Mahabharat war. तो हम सबको पता है कि घटोत्कच पांडवों के लिए लड़े थे और वीरगति को प्राप्त हो गए थे और उनकी कहानी तो सबको पता है. तो हम we are going to a temple dedicated to him and it's just 50 meters away from the Hidimba temple. और ये है हमारा घटोत्कच मंदिर. Just outside our hotel on the way to the mall road, there are some amazing food stalls. There is a street food which is on offer, starting from momos to chow mein to fish pakoda to chili chicken, and we'll definitely have one of these stays out here, tawa chicken and chicken pakoda. And this is something really creative. Do you see this noodles burger? Noodles inside a burger. So definitely this is worth a try. And this is the chaat, which is an eternal favorite.
बहुत थक गया.
So good morning everyone. So this is a bright new day. Amazing sky, amazing white clouds there, and we're all set for the day. And our plan for the day is we're going to drive down towards the Atal Tunnel and then we'll be proceeding to the Sisu Valley. So it's a long drive, it'll take around 1 hour. So we're going to start from here and we're going to first reach Atal Tunnel, then through the Atal Tunnel we'll go to Sisu Valley, and let's see what's in store for us. Spellbound by the views, as spellbound as you are watching this video. It's getting better and better. थोड़ा सा ट्रैफिक है रास्ते में. So, but overall, after we crossed Manali, roads have been much better. It's been great, and at every corner we are entertained with some mesmerizing views. So we are just half an hour away from the Atal Tunnel and we had to take this break. This is a absolutely breathtaking view that we have for you. Okay, so just have a look. Well, this is the view we have from here. And this is a shack right here, so we probably have something. Is the ultimate site in the Himalayas, Maggie stall, and in the backdrop of the snow-capped mountains. This is only going to get better as we move forward. How's it going, buddy?
Amazing.
Snow-capped mountains?
Snow-capped mountains. There was a small roadblock
Yeah.
on our way because of the landslide, and 2-lane road has become a 1-lane road. So we have
What
We've
happens?
not even reached the final destination. It's done.
It's absolutely stunning. It's going to get better. It's going to get better.
The views are worth it. It's amazing. And
We've reached the first milestone. This is the famous Atal Tunnel Rohtang, and we are at an altitude of 10,040 feet. And we're going to go into the tunnel right now, and across the tunnel is the Sisu Valley. इसके लिए तो पंक्चर भी मंजूर है। ऊपर जाते हैं। Just no words, absolutely no words to describe this. Just have a look how it looks. This is just out of Atal Tunnel. We're not yet in Sisu Valley. This is how the place looks like. How does it feel, buddy?
it's beautiful.
Mind-boggling, mesmerizing, whatever you call it.
Just whatever. To Nepal and to Kathmandu,
Yeah.
and I've done the Everest Base Camp trek.
yeah.
But this somehow feels like you're closer to the higher peaks
Yeah,
and snow-capped mountains.
And that's
stunning.
Yeah, of course. Oh, that's a major compliment.
Yeah. But see, you can even see the river from here.
Yeah, that's the Bias River. And let's go there.
We're not that.
It seems we need to pay some fees here. That's why we are waiting. So, ticket we had to pay for
200.
200 bucks, and the UPI worked, right? I mean, so you have got a bit of connectivity because my phone is not connected to the internet.
Really?
So, since you could,
And it's 200 for two-wheelers,
200 for a
50 for
four-wheeler.
two-wheelers, and I guess trucks are even more expensive.
Most important thing is Google Pay is working. At least it worked for my friend Rahul. So I think there's some internet connection available here.
3, 2, 1.
This is like Norway, Virgin to Oslo. Okay, this is our first stop. And look at the river, look at the views. I don't need to talk. Just have a look. And there are shacks here where you can eat. भूख लग गया भाई सर.
Three, two, one. Uh-huh.
So we've had a sort of a flat tire. We still had a lot of air in it, but we didn't want to take any risk, and luckily we got a tire shop here. So here's our guy repairing our tire, and we'll get our Stepney right as well. So no damage done, and we can enjoy Sisu Valley. Hotel PLM Dhara. That's where we're going to have our lunch. Overlooking this view. That's our lunch in the hills. Let's see how it tastes. Back, we are come to this place, Cafe 1947. It's got some great views and it's a pretty well-known cafe. So we want to have something here, and it offers some great views as well. How beautiful is this cafe? This is definitely a must visit when you come to Manali. This gives you a view of the river. This is the amazing Beas River at its aggressive best. The other side is the mountain range. That's where you see the mountains. I think we've spotted this Annapurna Kitchen, Bengali restaurant. Reminds us of our home. And we're going to try the Calcutta biryani here today. That's what they say that they have. So let's see how it tastes. We have our favorite Calcutta biryani here. It seems the chefs have come from Arsalan. And okay, so we had an amazing meal at the Annapurna kitchen here in Manali. So all those people, all those Bengalis who are living outside Calcutta, মানে যারা প্রবাসী বাঙালি আছেন, তারা যদি মানালিতে আসেন, যারা আরসালানের বিরিয়ানি খেতে পান না অত রেগুলারলি, এটা দিস ইজ দ্য বেস্ট প্লেস টু কাম টু মানালি অ্যান্ড ইট। এখানে বলছেন যে আরসালান থেকে শেফ আনা হয়েছে আর দ্য রেসিপি হ্যাজ বিন রেপ্লিকেটেড হিয়ার। সো ইট ওয়াজ অলমোস্ট 90% ক্লোজ টু দ্য আরসালান বিরিয়ানি। So it was a fantastic experience. So it's definitely worth a try here.
Ask him, Lenny.
Hi there, good morning. So today we are, it's pretty early in the morning at 8 o'clock. There was some rain yesterday night, but now the sun has just come out. And we are on our way to Setan Valley, actually Setan village. So that's pretty close by. That's 48 minutes drive from our hotel. So we are on the way, so catch you there. So there's some notice here regarding the road. Seems it's a pretty narrow road and we have to be careful. It was handed over to us at the checkpost. One more checkpost.
कहाँ जाना बेटा? हेलो
ये रास्ता ऊपर से नीचे से है?
आप कहाँ रहते हैं?
जहाँ सेथन बेला
सेतन वैली में।
सेथन बेली
और ट्रैक करके कहाँ जा सकते हैं?
आपको मर्जी है कहाँ कहाँ घूमना ना सेथन छिक्का तक जा सकते हैं ऐसा तो है।
अच्छा,
3-4 दिन का ट्रैक।
अच्छा अच्छा।
3-4 दिन।
हाँ 4 दिन का ट्रैक है।
ये रास्ता बहुत खराब है क्या?
रास्ता ऐसी है कहीं अच्छा है कहीं खराब है।
अच्छा अच्छा
कंपनी का सड़क है ना बेटा।
अच्छा अच्छा। कौन सा कंपनी का?
ये पूरा कंपनी का ही है ऊपर तक जाओ तक।
अभी हम लोग जल्दी आगे इसीलिए नहीं है।
बिजली दिखते है रात को।
क्या दिखते हैं?
बिजली
बिजली।
Lightning, lightning.
लाइट जला होता है ना।
ये कहाँ जा रहे हैं आप? कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
ऐसा को चलो
क्या रास्ता है भैया?
ऐसे को चलो पहाड़ी रास्ते।
सोच ले।
फर्स्ट गियर।
हाँ जिस गियर से जाएगा उसी गियर से नीचे को उतरना।
अच्छा ऐसा है क्या?
हाँ ऐसा ये सड़क।
अच्छा अच्छा।
फुल
आप लोग कैसे जाते हो? आप लोग नीचे कैसे जाते हो?
हम कभी पैदल आते हैं ऊपर से नीचे को, कभी पैदल जाते हैं, कभी लिफ्ट में बैठते हैं।
लिफ्ट?
अच्छा, लिफ्ट मिल जाता
और
है?
ये जो अभी लिफ्ट मिल रहा है,
जैसा आपने लिफ्ट दिया हमारे को।
कितना समय लगता है चल के
लिफ्ट
जाने
मिल
में?
जाता है?
हाँ मिल जाते जी।
और चल के जाने में?
2-2.5 घंटा लग जाएंगे।
बाप रे।
ऐसा 1 घंटे पहुँच जाएगा।
खाना वाना है?
Okay, so we finally reached this village, Sethan village here, and it's absolutely quiet and tranquil. It's really beautiful, some great views, and the road wasn't that good. It was like a moon crater surface, so as to say, but it was worth it. It was a 45-minute drive through the toughest roads, but we still made it, and it was really worth it. And it's really a quiet village and very good for walks, trails. I think the Hamta Pass trek, that's a famous trek which starts from here. Okay, a bit far ahead is the base camp for that, base of that. But Hamta Pass trek is not open yet. It's going to be open in June next month. So just come here, enjoy the quiet views. This is an offbeat location, so you can just enjoy the views and enjoy the walks. And that's the view you get from here. Absolutely beautiful. And there are loads of cafes here. Satan Cafe, Satan Villa. So this is the Thakur Cafe. We just chose this to have our breakfast. Oh, this gives amazing views. And we've taken a nice cozy corner to have our breakfast. And this is what I need right now, cup of tea. This is the magnificent view we get. We had an amazing place in Thakur's Cafe. और यहाँ पे वाईफाई भी है और ये फ़ोन पे में पेमेंट भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन मोबाइल सिग्नल नहीं है. But Wi-Fi is there, very strong Wi-Fi. I managed to catch some IPL highlights also. And we can pay via UPI, not a problem about that. Good. This is the kitchen. And here. There are loads of cafes here. So So we spotted a monastery here. So our friend Rahul is going inside. A lot of Buddhist influence here, because if you see, if you notice the ladies who came with us on our car, they were also Buddhists. That's what they were telling us. There I can see an orchard. Apples are going to come up here. There's a stay and cafe. And look at the apples. Tiny apples coming out. So we're just on a walk on these roads. And let's see where it leads to. This is something called an igloo stay. It says Himalayan igloo stay. So I think you can stay here. It's sort of an igloo. We spotted quite a few domes on the way. This looks like the real igloo type stay. And it's in the middle of the forest. Just have a look at this. Jannat hai. Look at this view. I mean, just overlooking the mountains and the valley, and you can just take a seat here and enjoy. This is what we've come here for. How beautiful this looks. Just have a look at this. This is a cafe in the middle of nowhere, run by two wonderful ladies. And this is your eternal favorite Maggie. Water, Coke, soft drinks and biscuits and chips, which are required for the treks. And look at the backdrop. What a view this is. What a place to have. This guy is absolutely cute and he's following us for a while now. And there's a reason why it's called the man's best friend. Look. So we've come here for another Manali delicacy, which is the Siddu, and we have opted for a chicken Siddu, and that's how it looks like. Mirchi mat dalna, huh? Bas. Hi everyone, so it's our last morning in Manali today. So it's time to bid goodbye to the wonderful snowy mountains and this amazing place, and going back to the hot weather of the city. So we're setting off for Delhi right now, and not right now actually, we'll be going to Jogini Falls, which is just around 13-17 minutes from here, and then after that we'll be proceeding towards Delhi. So this is hotel and wonderful ranges, and this is what we saw over every morning when we woke up. We saw this view from the hotel terrace, the Gurudwara and the mountain ranges.
और ऊपर और भी अच्छा होगा.
one side are these green plains, and on the other side you can see the snow-capped mountains. Hi there, so we are back. We are back to where it started from. We are in Emaar Palms, Gurgaon. So, how has been the trip? It was a fantastic trip. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and we loved the snow and everything. So, Rahul,
Some of the most stunning views. And when we went to that village,
Sisu.
no, the village,
Oh, the Sethan
Satan
village. I think Sethan village was very
Yeah, it's
soothing and tranquil place to
yeah,
be.
my,
So-
my soul felt in peace. I felt bliss. I would definitely recommend that place.
So that's great. So please make sure you go to Sethan village when you go to Manali. And hope you enjoyed our vlog once again. And thank you so much for watching.
And like and
please
subscribe.
like and subscribe the video. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.